5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. However, there is a clear finding recorded by the assessing authority that the export documents were verified by him. The accounts from which it is indicated that the entire exports were effected pursuant to the prior contract or prior orders of the foreign buyers, of that the export sales are supported by bills of lading, export invoices, and such other valid documents. Stop. In the light of the said findings, the assessing authority allowed the exemption, clearly holding that the claim for exemption was genuine. Stop. The next two authorities, namely the appellate authority and the tribunal, agree with the said findings, and there does not appear to be any serious challenge to the said findings before the said two authorities. Stop stanza. So far as the refund is concerned, the assessing authority is appellate authority, as also the appellate authority have clearly recorded a finding that when a dealer has paid the tax in excess of what is due from him, it has to be refunded to the dealer in as much as the dealer is entitled to receive a refund if tax is paid in excess of what was due from him. Stop. Referring to the provisions of section 44 of the Act, the Deputy Commissioner Appellate Authority also held that it is the seller or the dealer on whom the burden lies to prove that the sale is for fulfilling an order of the foreign buyer, since the section refers only to the foreign buyer. Stop stanza. For the instant case, the seller was not in a position to discharge his burden, and therefore he is not entitled for refund. Stop. In view of the said position, all the authorities have held that a question of refund of tax would not arise in the case of the appellant, since no tax had been demanded from the appellant for the tea. Stop. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, tax was collected from the appellant at the time of purchase of tea in the occasion sale conducted by the tea planters, since tea is a commodity which was liable to tax at the time of first sale in the state. Stop stanza. It is true that in the instant case there is no agreement available on record to indicate that the purchase was made for the purpose of export. Stop. In the absence of the said document, it is not possible to specifically state as to whether it was clear that the sale of purchase between the parties, the dealer and the purchaser, was linked with the export of goods. Stop. It is only when a claim is established the claim too would justify. Stop. At the same time of auction sale, when the appellant purchased the tea from the dealer, there is nothing on record to show that a definite stand was taken by the purchaser that the purchase of tea was for the purpose of occasioning an export for which an agreement has been entered into stop. Since no such claim was made at the stage sales tax was released, which was paid to the government by the dealer. Stop over.